Here I've got BLU Grand M2, and let me show you all the secret codes that you can use on your device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, pick keypad, and now it's time to enter the first code, which is *##, *4636, #*#. And as you can see, now we are in testing mode, in which you can read phone information, usage statistics, and also Wi-Fi information. Let's start with phone info at first. And here you can come along with IMEI number, phone number if you have your SIM card included, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, and plenty of other very useful and advanced information. Then you can also perform a ping test here. Smoothly click on Run Ping Test, and below you've got the solution. A bit lower you can also come along with some other information, for example mobile info, refresh rate. So let me go back, and now we will open usage statistics, in which you can locate the detailed information about your applications. So for example the usage time of each application and last time used. And then you've got Wi-Fi information, where you can come along with Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and Wi-Fi status. In Wi-Fi APA you can read disable network, disconnect network, enable network, configured networks, and also the whole connection info. Then in Wi-Fi configuration you can see configured networks, and in Wi-Fi status, just refresh it, you can read the current status of your Wi-Fi. You can also perform a ping test here. To do it, smoothly click on Run Ping Test. And this is it. That would be all for this code, for the first one. The second one is *##, *426, ***. And here we are in diagnostic mode, in which you can check events and also status. And if you click on the more icon, you will be able to activate advanced view. So then you can come along with some further information. So let's go back. Another code is *##, *225, ***. And in this code you can come along with the all calendar info. So if you have any celebration, any events included in your Google Calendar or in your phone's internal storage, then it will appear here. So you will not have to remember about everything, but smoothly enter this code and then come along with all upcoming events. And the last code is *##06#. And this one will provide you with device information, which is serial number, so the unique number that is assigned to your BLU. And that would be all. These are all secret codes that you can use in your device, in your BLU Grand M2. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.